Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you a quick, what I call a weeknight quick meal. I'm going to make honey garlic chicken tenders. Now you can make this with basically pantry staples. I've got salt and pepper, some butter, some honey, some apple cider vinegar, some soy sauce, a couple cloves of garlic, some fresh parsley for garnish, and a little bit of flour to coat the chicken. This will work with any protein. This only takes, and as you see they're small, you can even use chicken breast. And I did pound these out a little bit to make them flat. This cooks in like 10 minutes. You can make some rice or some noodles and have dinner on the table in no time. So I couldn't wait to show you. This is extremely flavorful. So I'm going to get everything set up. Thanks for coming to my channel. I'm Jennifer. And if you don't know me, I upload 2 videos a week, and I always include an inspirational quote to a controversial joke. So I'm going to go ahead and crush my garlic and get the flour on a little plate and get the skillet on. And we can have this done, like I said, it really takes like 10 minutes. So let me put you guys on pause. Let's get cooking. Okay everyone, so I've got my flour here, and I forgot to tell you, I apologize. I'm going to use some onion powder because I'm not using any onions in this recipe. And just, I like to change things, a little bit of extra flavor. And I'm only adding salt and pepper, and those of you who know me, who've seen my other videos, you know almost 90% of the time season my meat 24 hours ahead of time. But this is a quick weeknight. You can season it right now like I'm doing, and get this in the skillet and have dinner on the table in no time. Right now I have 3.5 tablespoons of butter heating up in the skillet. And you just slightly flour this, and then you put it in the skillet. And you see they're small, even if you were using chicken breast. They only cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And then you add the rest of the ingredients, and everything is done. So you just lightly coat the flour. Just gives it a little bit of coating on it when you cook it. Not trying to get a good crust or anything, just a light coating flour on here. And this is sealing some of the flavor. And I'm only using thigh. Most people use thighs. I do not like thighs. Those of you who know me, I only eat chicken breast and chicken wings. And if you want to get technical, I do not eat the drum end. No, I only eat the flats. When my husband and I get food, I'll pay extra for all flats. If not, we'll both get wings and he'll give me his flats. And you know how it goes. So anyway, you see how easy that was? I got that nicely floured up. So I'm going to turn the camera around and get to the skillet so I can get these in the butter. Put you on pause. Okay, I've got my butter. It should be pretty warm. I have it on pretty high heat. Yes, you hear the sizzle. That's what you want. You don't want it greasy. I'm just going to put all these in here at one time. Now technically this is a one-pan dish, but I'm going to pull the chicken out before I add the other ingredients to make the sauce. You can slide all the chicken over to the side and add the garlic and the other ingredients and only use one pan. That's another great thing about this recipe for a weeknight meal. You don't dirty a lot of dishes. It's basically a one-pan dish, but it's a little higher. I just want to take it off so I can have more room to, I may not take it off. I may show you how I do this like this. So I've got it on pretty high heat. And like I said, these are tender, so these don't cook very long. So they're going to cook a few minutes in the sauce. Most people use thighs, like I said. Supposedly they're a better cut of meat. They're juicy, they're more flavorful. I just don't care for dark meat and the veins in there. That's why I don't like the little drumette. I know there's veins in the sauce, but yes, your girls so the recipe calls for a quarter of a cup of flour. I just use just enough flour to coat the chicken. I'm going to turn these over. Just getting them brown. Just a little bit. And these will press just like a couple minutes per side. That's it. Not a lot of time. And I like quick, fast, and easy. So I thought I'd show you guys this. And like I said, most people have all these ingredients in their pantry already. Maybe minus the apple cider vinegar and the soy sauce. I like Chinese food, so I always have soy sauce because I like to add a lot of soy sauce to my Chinese food. One day I picked up some food in Detroit where I work, and I got my Chinese food, and I asked for a bunch of packs of soy sauce, and the chef or the cook was very upset. He said, no need soy sauce. He says, perfectly seasoned has soy sauce in there. And I said, sir, I like my rice with a lot of soy sauce. He says, you ruin the flavor. You ruin the whole meal. So he was not happy about that. But nonetheless, he gave it to me. Turn that back over. I'm trying to get some more color on these. So they will continue to cook in the flavorful sauce, soy sauce. Flipping these over. Cut this down. And I am going to add a little bit more butter to this. The recipe calls for 3.5 tablespoons of butter. So now to this I'm going to add the garlic. I got 3-4 cloves. I like garlic. Don't want to burn the garlic. Just want to get that in there just to get that going. I'm going to add the soy sauce. And we need 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. There's the apple cider vinegar. I'm adding a tablespoon of that. 1/3 of a cup of honey. Normally I spray this with Pam. This is a little tip. If you want honey to come out easily, spray it with some Pam and it'll pour right out. Nothing to it. Slide the chicken back into the sauce. I'm going to cut this down. It's almost ready. Just letting the chicken cook through. Flip this over. And cut it off. You know the tenders are pretty much done. Makes a nice, thick, flavorful sauce. And like I said, you can do noodles, rice, or this, add rice to this for dinner, or a salad, whichever's easiest for your family or easiest for you. I know a lot of people work, and those that know me know I still work full-time as a nurse. Now I'm just going to spoon the sauce. The eye is off, because you know I have an electric stove, so you know it's still warm, pretty much still cooking. But you definitely don't want the garlic to burn, so once you smell the garlic, you need to really start adding the other ingredients to this. You know I got a great joke for you guys, and like I said, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment and share. That's how people find out about me, and most of the time, like I said, my worst video is the salmon croquette video. It's the first video I shot, and it has the most views because people like to beat me up about it, but I love it. I know that's the only way you learn is from making mistakes, and well, it is what it is. So, let me make sure you can see this. See, it's already done. So I'm going to turn the camera around, get ready to tell you guys my joke. Okay everyone, there you have it. I did make it all in one pan, so this is it can be a one-pan dish. Honey garlic chicken tenders. And let me tell you my joke. A couple got invited to a costume party, but the wife got a terrible headache and told her husband to go to the party alone. So he took his costume and went off to the party. The wife, after sleeping soundly for about an hour, awakened with no pain. Since her husband wouldn't know her costume, she decided to go to the party to see how she would act without her husband. She joined the party and soon spotted her husband in his costume dancing with every nice woman he could, getting a kiss here and there. His wife went up to him and let him go as far as he wished, since he was her husband. Finally, he whispered in her ear and she agreed. So they went off to the car to have some fun in the back seat. Just before being unmasked, she slipped away quickly. She got home and put her costume away and got into bed, wondering what kind of explanation he would make for his behavior when he got home. He said, "You know I never have a good time when you're not there with me." She said, "Did you dance much?" He said, "You know I never danced once." When I got there, I met Pete and Bill and some other guys. We went into the spare room and played poker all evening, but the guy who borrowed my costume said he had the time of his life. Okay, see, that's what she get for trying to be funny. Okay, there you go. There you have it. There's my recipe, honey garlic chicken tenders. Like I said, you can make this, as you see, in under 10 minutes in one skillet. Go ahead and make some rice or some noodles or something with this, and it'll be a great dinner. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and come back for the next one. God bless.